We're used to thinking of AI as some chatbot that just gives us answers. But what if you could bring it right onto your desk? No phone, no computer, just pure AI genius packed in a box at your fingertips. Imagine an intelligent assistant that doesn't just talk, but actually remembers, learns, and adapts to you over time. I'm Daniel, and today we're diving into AIPi Lite, one of the most exciting, pocket-sized AI companion devices. I'll show you what it looks like, walk through the best features, and break down subscription benefits. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description. After watching this video, there might be some nice discounts there. And now, let's dive in. Guys, let's start with the basics. How does it look and feel in real life? This device is all about compact minimalist tech. It's incredibly lightweight at just 25 grams and small enough to fit your pocket or sit quietly on your desk. The tool's sleek modern shell has a professional vibe with just a few simple buttons and clear ports to keep things not cluttered. It feels like a smarter, more portable version of a speaker, something you can keep on your desk, ready to help anytime. Setting up is a breeze, guys. You don't need to connect to a computer or phone every time. After a quick visit to the official setup site, you're up and running. Just remember, the battery is sold separately. Design-wise, AIPi Lite isn't going to distract with wild colors or patterns. It's clean and simple, with a focus on what really matters – the experience. The tool fits anywhere, on a meeting, beside your monitor, or even if you use it as a study buddy on your nightstand. Overall, AIPi Lite is all about taking artificial intelligence from the screen to your real world. Alright, my friends, let's turn it on and check out all the cool features packed into this tiny device. First up, we have voice interaction. That means no screens, just you and your AI companion having a real chat. As soon as you activate the device, the built-in microphones kick in and can recognize your voice with sharp accuracy. The response time feels instant. Actually, it's surprisingly natural to hear your AI friend talking right back at you. No more awkward lag or weird robotic pauses. Now guys, let's get into something you won't find on every AI gadget – voice cloning. If you subscribe, you can use this feature to literally clone voices. This can be your own voice or even a family member's. Just provide a sample and the device can replay messages or talk back to you using those tones. This is a game changer for anyone who just wants a more personal vibe from their smart assistant. I admire that this is not just a typical digital voice. Instead, it can sound eerily like someone you know. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Next up, folks, let's talk about custom AI characters. You can build and swap between different personas. These may include a friendly teacher, a productivity guru, or even a fantasy character. Moreover, each of them will have its own memory. That means it actually remembers what you say from session to session. For example, if you ask your smart study coach to remind you of deadlines, it will remember. What I really like, my friends, is that AIPi Lite supports access to multiple models. If you're tired of its own origin LLM, just turn on ChatGPT or Google Gemini. With a subscription, you get to choose which engine powers your chats, and you can switch between them on the fly. Imagine using ChatGPT for storytelling, then jumping over to Gemini when you need solid, data-backed answers. Once users are registered, the device knows who's talking just by the sound of their voice, and it can switch responses or memory context automatically. It's super handy if you're sharing with family or coworkers. You can also use it to set reminders, manage to-do lists, and ask for content creation help, all just by speaking. AIPi Lite can give you recipes, help with homework, or summarize the latest news, all without apps or a browser. Honestly, guys, this demo barely scratches the surface. What's really cool is how interactive it feels. This is like carrying a tiny AI brain that learns and adapts to you. Okay, my friends, let's find out if a subscription is worth it and what you actually get for free with AIPi Lite. I will start with the great news. When you first unpack your device, you can start chatting with it for free. Right out of the box, you can bind one persona, access a single basic female voice, and use the origin model. So if you're looking for a smart companion to talk to or create some to-do lists, you're set already. But honestly, guys, that's only half the experience. To unlock the real magic, you'll want this subscription. With it, you get access to premium models I mentioned earlier, ChatGPT and Gemini. Another cool thing is that you can enjoy over 35 intelligent agents and characters. And let's not forget about the ability to create your very own personas with unique personalities and voices. Voice cloning, advanced voice choices, multilingual support, and multi-device connection all come bundled in. Moreover, guys, the platform provides flexible plans with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's your chance to try the device's full potential. Subscribing doesn't feel like a trap, by the way. It's just what makes AIPi Lite shine as your personalized, evolving smart assistant. Stick with the free basics if you're curious, but if you want all the cool stuff, this subscription genuinely takes things to the next level. Alright folks, let's wrap it up. I think that for anyone who loves the idea of integrated, voice-first AI that's always within reach, AIPi Lite is seriously impressive. The free version gets you started, but subscriptions let you truly personalize everything, from voices and personalities to what your AI can do. The device feels like stepping into the future, where AI isn't just software, but an intelligent hardware that lives right with us. So if you want a productivity partner or just a chatty roommate, the AIPi Lite is definitely worth checking out. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.